figure above, L is parallel to M, line B bisects QRS. What is the value Y? If something bisects something, it means it cuts it perfectly in half. So that line B right there is cutting that QRS angle exactly in half. So that means that this angle plus that angle, or this angle and that angle will be exactly the same. Now, keep in mind, if you have two parallel lines, so let's say these two are parallel lines and you have a line that intersects them. So identify your big angles. So this will be my big angle, and identify your small ones. So for example, this is big, this is small, that's small, big, and so forth. So all your bigs, all your smalls will equal to each other, and any combination of any big and any small must add it to 180. So if I pick this small plus that big, it's got to add it to 180, which is what I have here. I have that 30, and so that angle right there, that whole angle must be 150, because 30 plus that angle, again, I'm going to make it big out here, that must be 150. Now, if this thing is bisecting it in half, that means it cuts it in half. So that means that each one of these individual angles must be 75 and 75. Now, these two angles are vertical angles, so that means that must be 75 as well. These two are vertical angles, so that means that this one right here must be 30 as well. And I know that all the angles inside a triangle add up to 180. So 75 plus 30 is 105. So that means that this angle right there must be 75, because 105, so if this is 75 and that's 75, that's 150, and 150 plus 30 is 180, which makes sense. Now that and that are vertical angles, and look at that, I've just figured out y is going to be 75.